Hi, this is Brother Barnes. This is another installment in naming and balancing chemical compounds. Let's get right to it. Let's cut these out and let's paste this lithium here and this other lithium. Notice that it makes kind of a perfect square. Lithium ions are metals. Oxygen is a nonmetal, and this is ionic bonding. And so the way that we name ionic compounds is we say lithium oxide, not lithium oxygen, but we say lithium oxide. So write that formula down over here. So this is going to be a little bit tricky because you're going to say Li2O, aren't you? It's kind of a little bit tricky. I'll have a download for these cutouts below the video where you can go and pick these up along with the answer key. So what would you name this neutral compound? Well, that's potassium. If we look on the periodic chart, that's oxygen. So what would we say? How would you name that? Say it out loud. Potassium oxide, Ide, K2O. Muy bien, very good.